CropScan Ag presents Protein to Prescription. At CropScan Ag, we believe precision farming starts with understanding your crop's true potential, right down to the protein level. Protein isn't just about quality, it's a powerful indicator of nutrient status. The yield to protein response curve illustrates crop response to nitrogen. In the low protein zones, added nitrogen increases both yield and protein. Once nitrogen is adequate, yield plateaus, and further nitrogen primarily increases grain protein. This informs precise nitrogen management. That makes protein a real-time gauge of how much nitrogen was in the plant at harvest. By overlaying protein data onto yield maps, we unlock insights that yield data alone can't provide. This creates our protein by yield correlation quadrant map. Each quadrant tells a different story. Is your crop nitrogen limited, or was it held back by moisture stress or subsoil constraints? With protein data, we can see the why behind the what. These field performance zones identify where nutrition or moisture is limiting yield. So, from here, you can begin to make smarter fertilizer decisions. Start with identifying the N-limited areas of the field or the yellow zones. Now, using a fertilizer variable rate strategy, you can increase rates in the yellow zones and decrease in the blue zones. Once the fertilizer prescription is made, you can send it to your connected machinery platform. The goal: place fertilizer in the right place and at the right rate. Evening out your protein zones. Increase yields and profits. Variable rate fertilizer practices can have a return of 2 to 3 times of the cost of the additional fertilizer. With CropScan Ag, protein isn't the end result, it's the beginning of smarter decisions. It's time to turn protein into your most powerful data layer.